In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your workspace in Wrike. We'll start right from the main Wrike environment and walk through creating a new space that you can use as the foundation for your projects. Go ahead and open Wrike in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, you'll land in your workspace, which is basically your home base for everything you do in Wrike. On the left-hand side, look for the section called Personal. This is where Wrike groups items that are specific to you. Click on Personal to expand it so you can see more options related to your own work. Within that area, you'll see an option called Space. This is important because spaces are how Wrike organizes work at a higher level. Think of a space as a container for a team, a department, or a major project. Go ahead and click on Space. Now you'll see controls for managing or adding spaces. Look for the option that says Create Space and click on it. This is where we actually start building the workspace you'll be using. You'll be shown different kinds of space options. Choose Work in Progress. This is a good starting point for an active, evolving area where tasks and projects will be created and updated regularly. Next, you'll see an option to Create a Space with AI. This can be useful if you want Wrike to suggest structure for you, but for this walkthrough, we're going to keep things simple and hands-on. Click on Create a Space with AI, and when the AI Setup wizard appears, select Maybe Later. That way, we skip the automated setup and keep full control over the structure ourselves. After that, you'll return to the creation options. This time, choose Create a Space from a template. Templates are pre-configured setups that save you time. For what we're doing, we want a clean starting point, so in the Template or Solutions gallery, select Blank Space. This gives you an empty structure that you can customize to match your own workflow. Once you've selected the blank space template, click on Create. You'll now be in the Space Settings screen. Here, you can give your new space a clear name that makes sense for your work. In the highlighted field, type in the name you want to use for this space. Take a moment to choose something descriptive so you and your teammates can easily recognize it later. When you're happy with the name, click on Create one more time. Wrike will finalize the setup, and your new space will appear in your workspace, ready for you to start adding folders, projects, and tasks.